Back with the second part of sound lesson, class 8. Yesterday we have spoken about the introduction part. Today let us begin with the next topic in sound, which is propagation of sound in air. And as I told you, sound actually basically travels in the form of waves, and waves are of two types. One is transversal waves, the second one is longitudinal waves. Yes, so sound basically travels in the form of a longitudinal wave. Now what is that longitudinal wave here? In longitudinal waves, basically the particles move in a direction parallel to the propagation of sound. And how are they moving? They are vibrating in the mean positions. Right? Now these the wave can be represented in two forms. One is the displacement time graph and the other is displacement distance graph. Before getting into the graphs, let us see the basic terms related to a graph. You should be knowing what are the basic things here. Amplitude. Amplitude is nothing but the maximum displacement made by a particle on either side of its mean position. Yes. Secondly, time period. Time period is nothing but it is a time taken to complete one to and fro vibration. It is represented by T and measured in seconds. Thirdly, frequency. Frequency is nothing but the number of vibrations made per second, represented with F and measured in hertz or per second. Then next we have is the wavelength. See, by the name itself we can make it out. What basically length here means? It is a distance between two consecutive compressions or two consecutive rarefactions, which is actually represented by lambda. Right? The SI unit is meters. So as I just told you all, the graph can be represented in two ways, that is by displacement time graph and displacement distance graph. In displacement time graph, it actually shows the particles moving at a given position. But whereas in a displacement distance graph, we see the particles at different positions no matter the time is the same here. So in time graph, we show the time here on x-axis, and whereas in distance graph, we show the distance here instead of time. Right? So this is a short video with the second part. See you all back in the next video. Thank you all.